Hello everyone! Today we have something special for you. A demo wallet from USDFI, which shows you how you can efficiently increase your assets with USDFI. Your decisions play a big role in this, but more on that later. Let's start with the current state of the demo wallet. In our demo wallet, we have almost $900 in our Money Lego version 2. Additionally, we have $200 each in our USDFI BNB and stable BNB pools, which have already generated great rewards. We have also placed smaller amounts in lending and voting. Depending on your decision at the end of this video, we can further expand these earning opportunities. You can find all the important information clearly displayed in our USDFI portfolio. We'll show you how to access it in the pinned video. But why a USDFI demo wallet? We want to give you a direct insight into our platform without you having to risk your own assets. Experience how the functions interact and what opportunities USDFI offer to you. At the start of the demo wallet, you can decide how the rewards are used to increase income. Every 2 weeks there is an update video on this. You will learn what has happened with the earnings and can often directly vote on where the rewards should be placed next. Now it's your turn. You know the current status and the rewards obtained. It's up to you to decide where the rewards should go. Here are the options. First, reinvest in the Money Lego to increase earnings. Second, place the rewards in the Money Lego pool to boost your returns. Here comes the bonus yield into play. If you're not familiar with the term, be sure to revisit this video. Third, we place the earnings in voting to earn bribes and thus increase our income. Fourth, the earnings are placed in lending, for which we will introduce more strategies later. Let us know in the comments which option you prefer and what do you think of our Money Legos. Those who participate in the voting system can participate in future giveaways regarding the demo wallet. So it's worth participating. If you are new to USDFI, don't worry. For every vote, there is an explanation about the functions of your choice and its impact on our demo wallet. Participating is definitely worthwhile, even for newcomers. I wish you a pleasant day or evening whenever you're watching this video. Yours, Benjamin.